both a $37.94 and a $33.16 PayPal payment. This is not a difficult task. You literally only need to navigate a YouTube video to start earning money by watching them. In this video, I'll teach you how to use this innovative method to make money online for free in 2022. How do you do it? We'll soon find out. Here's how to get paid for browsing YouTube videos. But first of all,
Hello and welcome to the Money Hustle, where earning should never be troubling. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. You may start making things happen by setting up a notification bell so that you are informed anytime we release a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a thumbs up as well. If you have any questions, comments, or other feedback regarding the video, don't be afraid to post them below.
in this video, I'll show you how to earn free PayPal funds in the amount of $1,000 or more by simply viewing your favorite YouTube videos. Before I continue, let me show you how to do this. I'm from your country, or please fill in the blank if you'd want to. I'll be able to pinpoint your specific origin if you do that. I'll be able to ensure that every video I release from now on is for you. So please mention your area in the comment section below. So, as you can see, there are a lot of people watching gamers play Minecraft, possibly millions of them. In just 16 hours, this video has received 2 million views. These videos are being viewed by a sizable number of people. Let's click here to go to this person's channel. Therefore, it appears that they are playing only Minecraft-related games. Therefore, this is a prime case, and what I really want to do is watch this person's videos, specifically his most popular ones. Therefore, it is clear that the most, if not all, of his videos were very fantastic. Accordingly, the more individuals who are interested in these YouTube videos, which translates to more people who will click on and find the videos interesting, and eventually more people who will watch the videos, the more money we may generate. Finding the most popular video is what you want to do. But what does it mean? It refers to the subject matter that most people are truly interested in this circumstance. So if you want to identify the most broadly applicable Minecraft video that you believe will be clicked by the majority of players, and the rationale is that you may make more money when more people click. Let's utilize the Minecraft Speedrunner vs 4 Hunters Grand Finale. The second thing we're going to do is really look at two different websites. The two most popular websites in this particular niche are these two. Due to their lengthy histories, these are the ones we'll concentrate on. They have made the largest payouts and are truly enormous businesses. Over 2 million links were visited today on the initial website, AdFly, and there are currently over 5.3 million registered members, which is really incredible, as you can see right here. Now, what this website truly allows us to do is copy its link, paste it here, and then shrink it. You now have this shortened URL, and you get paid each time someone clicks on it. I'll now go into great detail as to why you are paid and how this entire process functions. To ensure that you utilize the site that makes the most sense for you, I went out and conducted all the research for you, so I want to share something with you guys that I think you will find to be extremely interesting. So you may scroll down and get the payout rates if you actually look right here. You can view your cost per 1,000 visitors or CPM. In other words, you can actually make $170.67 for every 1,000 visitors from the United States who click on your shortened link. The fact that AdFly tends to be the biggest, the one with the most customers, and the one that has paid out the most money makes me feel the safest about suggesting it to you among the various URL shortening services that pay you for each click. Therefore, we're actually going to copy our URL, paste it here, shrink it, and then save it. As a result, they will send you and display an advertisement right here. The fact that they display an intermediary advertisement every time someone clicks on that link, which means that you're paid per impression, explains how they are able to actually pay you that money. So if we return to AdFly, you can see that on a CPM basis, for every 1,000 hits, we may actually earn up to $170.67 every time someone clicks on your link. So the next question is, where should I post the link? The topic of Minecraft gameplays was explored as a potential viral topic. We also talk about how to choose the best URL shortening provider so that we can truly get paid. Where can we place the shortened link that users are likely to click on? That's what we're going to talk about right now because it's arguably the most crucial step in the whole procedure. So before you really accomplish this, be sure to sign up for an account with AdFly so you can track all of your metrics, clicks, and other pertinent information to prevent data loss. So after we sign up for a free account, we'll click on our link and proceed to a website named minecraftforum.net. So if we go to minecraftforum.net, you can see that practically millions of people that are interested in Minecraft frequent this site to talk about Minecraft-related issues every single day. These are a few of the most recent active forum topics as you can see. We're actually going to the forum part here, where there are already over 138,000 posts as we can see. The conversation has almost 825,000 posts. Over 964,000 posts can be found in the suggestions and so on. So what we'll do is open up each of these boards here and post something. You can put a post that reads, "Have you guys watched out this great Minecraft gameplay video where 4 of Dream's buddies try to chase him down and stop him from beating Minecraft? As I promised, the special bonus for you my devoted viewers and subscribers. Will Dream survive or will they be able to stop Dream from defeating the Ender Dragon?" Then after that, you can paste your short link. Although that might sound strange, literally millions of people engage in this behavior. As you can see, these were just posted and they have received hundreds, tens of thousands, or even only a few hundred views. It's therefore a very excellent and simple thing if you can get people to watch it a lot. Similar to viewing a video that has already gone viral from a well-known YouTuber like Dream. As you can see, if a forum post genuinely becomes popular and receives more than 180,000 views, like this one did, even if only half of them decide to click and watch a free YouTube movie, that amounts to about 90,000 clicks. And if you generate 90,000 clicks and earn $170 potential per 1,000, that's a lot of money. If your forum thread actually becomes popular, you might potentially gain more than $15,000 by multiplying 90 times $170. You won't likely see results right away, and it's unlikely that you'll become wealthy overnight. However, shortening a link and forcing users to watch a 5-second ad before seeing an already popular YouTube video is a truly intriguing method to make money with little to no effort. The nice part is that you can use other games to accomplish this. You can accomplish this with games like Valorant, Among Us, Roblox, Cyberpunk 2077, Fortnite, GTA 5, PUBG, and PUBG Mobile. You can share your shortened URLs on YouTube comments, Facebook groups, forums, and other social media platforms, among many other places. Additionally, you earn more money the more people click. That's it for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and turn on notifications to receive updates and new material. I'll see you in a few of the upcoming videos as usual. Thank you for watching The Money Hustle. Goodbye.